All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Under the Ankur Group of Association, Basic SSB Capsules Review Series. Now we are going to have a quick group discussion as part of the GTO series. You know, group discussion is an introductory series exercise. It is a settling down exercise in the GTO series of 9 conducted on day 2 of stage 2 of SSB, and it is to know each other well, influence each other well in the group. It's a leaderless task. There is nobody leader in this group discussion. All of you have to give your point of view, which should be constructive, healthy towards organizational growth, and some points should be generated at end of group discussion, which should be taken as points for final agenda or final conclusion. Remember, conclusion is not important in this. It is not a debate. It is not discussion with the person. It is discussion with the purpose. So remember, this purpose and person do not deviate from the aim, do not deviate from the topic. Remain focused, initiate yourself, influence others, put your points of view. Do not be aggressive, be polite, and remember to have good manners during the group discussion. Topic is single, which is the second topic. As you know, GD is conducted in two parts, stage 1, round 1 and round 2. Round 1 has two topics of current affairs and academic values, whereas the round 2 has only one topic, which you have to speak on for 10 minutes, and that is generally a social topic. Okay. So the topic for the day is internet, a ban or boon, or bane or boon. इंटरनेट सही है या गलत है? Go ahead. Time starts now.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have got topic internet is a boon or a curse. Adding some points to this topic, I want to say that internet is very much useful in many ways. Even if we are today live here, we are discussing here in this Google Meet, then this is only because of the internet. If internet was not there, then we will not be able to come here and join here. Internet has provided many facilities to us. Even if we are far from some places, if one is in Jammu Kashmir and other is in Tamil Nadu, then he may see their face each other through the internet. And also internet has provided lots of facilities to students. The students who are not able to afford offline coaching can use the internet and do online coaching. So I would like to add some points like other giving people saying raising the burden of everybody's life, and it is helpful for the shopping and paying the bills also. Thank you.
Internet also are not only for not only good or bad both, because we used internet for like a study. We used internet for group also, study group, and we used also internet like a social media. Not so also use internet. Many hackers or activate on internet, so they are tracked our account and something others. So I think that internet good or bad both point for that.
I'm totally agree with Chakravarti too. Internet also have a dark side also, which is the common example in recent time is Article 370. After the revocation of Article 370, Supreme Court and our government shut down the internet facility in Jammu Kashmir Valley because of terrorists use internet as a weapon to influence people for the stone pelting and all these other activities like terrorism, and they communicate each other by the help of Facebook, Twitter, and so many ways. So I think internet also have a dark side, which is everybody know.
A coin has its two faces. The internet
We said that the
has
coin,
also got some good advantages and disadvantages.
every coin has two faces, means a good side and a bad side. Means some of the good side it has and also some bad side. So, the internet, in the case of internet, the facilities, the good side is heavier than the bad side. Means there are more facilities than the demerits or drawbacks. As if we are at some place and want some news of a place which is 1,000 kilometers apart, then what we have to do? We have to just on internet and search on the internet that news about this, and we may get in just a few seconds. We don't have to wait much. We may got the news in a few seconds. It keeps us updated with the society. It keeps us updated in our life also.
I totally agree with Chestnut 291.
Also from the start.
It also have good side, a lot of good side also. It is common example of Corona time. We all know that all the schools, college, and all the facilities of for the study are shut down during the Corona, and people using internet, Google Meet, all these platforms to teach everything and get the knowledge from the others. And schools and college also started online preparation and the exams by the help of internet.
Yes, but we know that मतलब कि जितना इंटरनेट अच्छा भी है उतना इंटरनेट बुरा भी है, क्योंकि हम सब देख रहे हैं कि जितना इसका यूज हो रहा है उतना ही इसकी बर्बादी भी हो रही है। जैसा कि अगर हम यहाँ से कुछ कर रहे हैं तो हमसे पहले इंटरनेट पे हैकर्स एक्टिवेट रहते हैं, जो कि हमारे मतलब एक्टिवेट होने से पहले ही उनको हमारे सारे मतलब कि पॉइंट्स पता होते हैं। जैसे हमारे पासवर्ड उनको मिल जाते हैं, डोंट नो कैसे है कि वो सब एक्टिवेट कर लेते हैं और हैक हो जाते हैं। तो इंटरनेट अच्छा भी है और बुरा भी हो सकता है। इसके लिए तो गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया ही है कि जो मतलब कि हैक करता है उसके लिए जो है 1 साल की सजा भी है और ये जुर्माना लगाया गया है। बट फिर भी वो लोग तो अपना काम कर ही लेते हैं, उसको तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता। अगर आप केस करते हो तो केस तो चलता रहता है ना। तो इंटरनेट
Okay,
अच्छा और बुरा दोनों भी है।
last 30 seconds towards your concluding remarks. Please go ahead with your concluding remarks. How you want to conclude your discussions, all of you.
I want to say that it is on to us that how we if we are using it in good way, then definitely it would be helpful to us, and if we are using it in a bad way, then definitely it will destroy us. So it is just upon us that how we are using it and how we are taking benefits of it, or we are destroying ourselves from the internet. Thank you.
Yes, the chest number 291 is correct, because it up to us to how to use the internet.
I'm totally agree with chest number 291 and 288 that internet has both the side, dark and bad, good side. But this is up to you how we use this internet in a good way or bad way. But if you are using in a good way, that
Conclude 278, 272. Please take charge of yourself.
Sir, as all said, it has got its both advantages and disadvantages, but it is more on the advantageous side. The pandemic is the best example for this. Students got to listen to the classes from home, and many working
Conclude your
professionals got to
topic.
work
Conclude
from
your topic. Do not give example in conclusion. This is a conclusion. 272, go ahead. Please understand conclusion. 272, conclude your topic. 272 concluding remarks दीजिए, समराइज कीजिए अपने ग्रुप डिस्कशन को। Right, ladies and gentlemen, with that we have completed the group discussion on internet bane or boon. It has got both the coins. You have to be little more versatile in the topic. Probably you could have taken senior citizen, entertainment, medical, education, okay, hacking issues, how it is affecting rural world. Is internet available in rural places? What's happening to 80% of India which is not networked so far? How is the other world countries using internet? What are the social responsibilities? What are the government responsibilities? What is happening? What are the regulations on it? You have to versatile your topic little more, not into the one side of it, so that you get more and more idea. Whenever you get a time to speak or initiate a word, some new things would come out quickly. One line, new topic, new area. Diversify it. Take it to some other direction. Throw some new lights into it. Don't repeat, otherwise you will be losing time. Okay, these are the words I would like to say as a short conclusion or remarks for this GD. Okay, that's all for the GD part. Thank you.